Morning guys, August 8th, 2025. So here I got a call from a customer I've worked for in the past. She's got an oil burner that's, it runs for about a day and then it trips the reset. So it's been over a year since I've been there, she said. So it sounds to me like it's starving for oil. Might have a blockage in the oil line or a block filter. Because, you know, it runs until it, you know, runs out of oil type of thing, and it's probably getting a little bit of oil but not enough to keep it going. That's usually what happens in a case like that. Go there and give it a good service, get a good oil flow, new filters and nozzle, and I'll check, you know, a lot of times they'll take care of it. But that's what it sounds like to me. Oil flow issue. I mean, it could be a weak transformer. You know, sometimes the pumps will pump and then they won't pump. But if it's running for a day and then kicking out, a lot of times that's what I would assume that's what it is. It'll be what, you know, the avenue I go down and make sure we get to check the filters and get a good flow out of the pump, and you know, put new nozzle. Sometimes the nozzles get muck on them and they don't spray right.
1/4 mile, be in either of the two left lanes, then turn left on Phillips Corner Hall Road.
Get some muck and some jism on the end of the nozzle there, and it's not spraying properly because there's muck on the carbon on the nozzle. Well, that could do it too. You're gonna start with the basics.
Turn left at the traffic light.
You're the one who changed that filter. How often do we change that thing?
Well, when you're having a problem like this, I change it. Sometimes, you know, every year it should be changed.
Every year, okay, good to know.
It could be that transformer that's an issue. We'll see.
Yeah, like I said,
Nozzle, we're gonna do a nozzle, a filter, get it up and running.
Okay.
Those old transformers were known to spark and then not spark. Spark and then not spark.
See, that's not good.
I gotta get a good oil flow and get a good nozzle in there, and then we'll check it. But they're problematic, those.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Like, it happened 2 days in a row, and I was like, I don't want to keep hitting that reset button.
Well, I gotta get a good oil flow for one.
Yeah.
But
it didn't do it yesterday, so we're good so far, but I don't want it to be a problem when we start using the heating system.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Thank you.
We're gonna give it a good bleed on the other end. I'm gonna give it a good bleed. Chickens here. Let me get myself some chickens. A lot of dust. Back in the day, we had a lot of problem with these Carlin transformers. I don't know if I got one for a Carlin. I might. I'll change the nozzle first and see what the hell's going on here. Could be this delayed solenoid valve. We don't need that. the head looks like. Oh, looking bad. Looks like you might have changed the nozzle. Put no one in there. Looks new. It's 1 gallon. I didn't put that in there. 1 gallon 60. Got new ones up here. That's old. A little smaller. Let's see what we got. I gotta get a. Check the transformer once I start it. Flipping shit gets hot after a while. I gotta go full here. We can check the spark. What we got here? That should run it. I want to be draining my oil into here anyway. I gotta bleed this. Once I started, I could jump. Whoa, that looks a little wonky. Once I started, I could jump this out. It should run. Might have to jump one of the zones out. That transformer might drop out after a while, so we're gonna try it again. Whoa. No CAD cell in there. The flipping CAD cell fell down inside. Isn't that weird? That's just fucking weird. I got it off. Could be this transformer's junk too. We gotta check it. It might have a. It might drop out. We gotta. Alright, that's good. We'll start it back up and we'll check the transformer. It won't start because I got this here on. I will start. Oh yeah, we're getting a good spot there. That should fire now. We're getting a good oil flow. Might have just been a dirty filter. I've actually got it set. Let's see how it runs. I'll put a little smaller nozzle in there. Alright, she should fire right up. to replace this control last time I was here. Could have just been that filter was dirty. Alright, new filter at tank, new nozzle, bled oil line, good spark, zero smoke. We'll let it go. It's possible that transformer's working and they're not working. I wouldn't doubt it. We'll reset that CAD cell in there tight. No leaks.